do you feel like you can teach it to your partner table, to your partner at your table? Oh, this is how you round. You have to look at this place value, look at this 5 or more. Do you feel like you can do that? Then you're gonna put a check. I can teach this to anybody. And when you can teach this to anybody, you know it, okay? Or, I just wanna do it by myself. I don't wanna teach it to you, but I know how to do it. If I feel like I can do it by myself, I'm gonna put a check there. I could do it with some help. I'm kind of iffy about some things. I'm not quite sure about compatible numbers. These are the thoughts that you are thinking in your head, okay, about this particular statement. Or, I can't do this at all. I still don't understand how to round. I don't understand. Can't do it all. I need help. You're going to check this, okay? Does that make sense? Same thing for the next one. What does this next one say? Class? Now guys, we've been adding and subtracting numbers since like 1st and 2nd grade, right? So I'm hoping, thumbs up if you think that you can teach this to others. Thumbs up if you know you can do it by yourself, do it with some help, or I can't do this very well. Okay, so those are this is called the mastery tracker, and you are tracking how you feel about what you've learned this 4 weeks, okay? This one's a biggie. You guys have multiplied. I see here a 2-digit by 2-digit or a 3-digit by 2-digit. You guys have been working hard. Yesterday I've been in here. I've seen you work hard. How do you feel about a 3-digit by a 2-digit? Thumbs up if you think you can teach it to somebody. That's what you would check. Does everybody understand how we're going to use this piece of paper this year? Okay? So for each unit, we're going to just say, and if you don't get it, you need to be honest and say, I don't get it, so that Ms. Villarreal and myself can help you. Okay? That's called a mastery tracker. So, and then at the very top of your mastery tracker, we have a goal. So tomorrow is your first assessment. It's going to be about 10 questions. You're going to set a goal for yourself. How do you want to do on your first assessment? I'd like to do very well. I'd like to make 100 or an 80 or whatever. You can set your own goals here, okay? And then at the end, you're going to put down what you actually made. Yes? All right. That's your first. This is called the Mastery Tracker. And once you get your folder, you're going to have it inside your folder, okay? Thumbs up if you understand that. And so when Ms. Villarreal says, okay guys, get your data tracker and let's go ahead and track your learning so that she can see, oh, she didn't get it or he got it or whatever. Yes? So the next piece of paper, I'm going to move on. I'm going to go quick because I know you guys have Beagle Bites. The next piece of paper, can I borrow yours, is going to be your growth tracker. Now you guys have probably done this before in other classrooms, okay? So, and basically it's just a bar graph. So tomorrow's date is the 13th, I think. So we're going to put the date here, and it's going to be your first Unit 1 assessment. You're going to put Unit 1 here. And basically our goal is to make sure that you're at least 70 or higher. And then you're just going to track. Once Ms. Villarreal gives you the results back, you're going to just shade in however much you did, what your score is. Yes?
Yes.
You've done this before, probably in 4th and 3rd grade, okay? And then, in the next couple of weeks, we're going to give you another assessment. And then hopefully, it's going to grow to be better than your first assessment, okay? This is called your growth tracker. And throughout this year in 5th grade, we want to see you get better and better and better. And so, for us to see that, we've got to see, you've got to you're tracking your data, yes? Growth tracker, mastery tracker, yes?
Yes.
One more. Are you ready for the third one?
Yes.
The third one is going to be our habit tracker. Now in math, we want you to become really good problem solvers, okay? And I've seen you, and you've solved a lot of problems. And we use a lot of strategies when you solve problems, right? I've heard you. So before you take your assessment, this is the a habit tracker that we're going to have you complete. So you're going to ask yourself, did I use all my strategies to solve the problems. You're gonna circle yes or no. So for 1 through 10, you're gonna see, go back and make sure, did you underline and circle and highlight important information? Boys and girls, does Miss Villarreal have you do that when you answer questions? Does she? Yeah. So you gotta make sure you do that on the test. This is gonna make sure that you don't forget to always read the question, underline and highlight. Did I make an answer statement? Sometimes, when the question gets difficult, you need to make an answer statement. Thumbs up if you've made an answer statement before in the past, okay? If you're missing questions, then we're gonna have you go back and make an answer statement. Did I draw a picture? Did I make a bar model? Did I do something? Did I see all of these different things here? That's what you're gonna, yes or no? Did I solve the problem another way? Did you check? If you add, how do you check an addition question? You subtract, very good. Which questions were, and then we just wanna know which questions were hard and easy and which one stumped you, okay? This is a habit tracker to help you to become better problem solvers. So we have 3, and then there'll probably be another one later on, District 1, okay? So, this is called your data tracking folder that Miss Villarreal is going to have placed somewhere in the room. I think maybe here or over there, I'm not quite sure. We're gonna find out a place. When she says grab your data tracker and let's track your score, this is how you're gonna do it. So right now, I want you to put your name, and you can write data tracker on the front of it. Do you have markers? Okay. All right, are there any questions before you do that? Are there any questions? You go ahead and put your name and you can put data tracker. Finish. Give an extra one. Okay, quickly. Oh, here. Yes. Okay. So in 10 seconds, you should have your name and data tracker on your folder. Everyone, right now, I'm going to count down, and this should be done in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, put data tracker on it, 3, and 2. Good job. Now, inside your data tracker, go ahead and take out this sheet right here. Where it says date, I want you to put down 9, tomorrow is the 13th, 9/13, right here. After you get your results back, you can also put down unit 1. Huh? Oh, yes. Well, hang on. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for letting me borrow it. Okay, so you're gonna have, once you have your date in unit 1, put it back in. We're ready to track your first assessment for tomorrow. Yes? When you're done, please put it back in. Alright? Okay. Now that you're done, please put all the papers back in the folder and put it in the center of your table. That's the data trackers. And that's it.